Hi, I wanted to send you this video because I noticed that you're not listed here in the map pack here for McKinney pool installation and wanted to give you some tips on how you can beat Southern Wind Pools. Now, Southern Wind Pools is ranked #1 in the map pack. This is what we call the map pack here. It's like a coveted position because a lot of phone calls get made from this location here. Also, you can see that Southern Wind is located on the first page of Google. And so I wanted to show you a few things that you can do to help beat them. So one of the things that we look at is citation sources. Citations are like listings, your business listed online in a directory. So such as like Manta, Yelp, Foursquare, Bing. These are different sources that you can have your business listed, and you need to have your name, address, and phone number be consistent between all of those sources. And so when we do a report in McKinney in your area for pool contractors, we find that the #1, the site that has the most amount of citation sources is Southern Wind Pools. They have 58. That is a huge ranking factor to help get in the map pack. Um, Another thing that we look at is content. Now, when you look at their site, they don't have a ton of content on their first page, but they do have 17 pages that Google is recognizing um, as indexed. And when you look at the other competitors like Medallion Pools, they have 117 pages, and Blue Lagoon has 278. And if you notice, not that site, this site, it shows that Medallion Pools is here in the map pack. Also, Blue Science is ranked organically at the very top. And so um, you notice that that makes a big difference, is having a lot of pages of content that have high quality keywords. And so when you're looking at keywords, Southern Wind Pools, they are ranking for 915 keywords. And so they have high quality content that where they're using keywords that people are searching for. And so these are some of the keywords that they're ranking #1 on. And they rank for high volume keywords, maybe not super high, but they're at least ranking for um, keywords that are a couple thousand search volume, like pool designs being 9,900. Um, so we find that the more content we add with these keywords in it, the higher the chance of ranking. And the last thing we look at is trust flow. Trust flow is a metric that Google looks at, and it helps them see how much they can trust you. And so the higher your trust flow, the more that Google trusts you. And so in order to help increase this number, you need to have good quality backlinks. So backlinks are like links to your site. You click on the link and they just go directly to your site. And so not every backlink is created equal. So just because Southern Wind has 50 backlinks doesn't mean that they're all quality. As you can tell, they don't have any quality to them because their trust flow is 0. So this is an easy area to outrank because they don't have anything. And so if you do those 3 things, adding more high quality content with good keywords in, and good backlinks, and add your business to the directory listings, you have a much better chance of beating Southern Wind. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.